Members of the Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo people, Garo Hills Zone Tura, along with the patrolling staff of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council and the forest team of Tura yesterday the 27th of May 2022, seized a Bolero pickup truck bearing registration vehicle number AS34C 0478 near Okopara playground under southwest Garo Hills, which was illegally transporting timber log to the neighbouring state of Assam at around 11:35 p.m. without any valid pass or proper documents. The organisation later handed over the apprehended vehicle to the in charge of Range Forest Officer of the GHADC.